Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Caribbean Stitch Up. I'm Hannah Walters and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful Jamaican-inspired scrunchie that makes a perfect gift for your friends. So if this is something that you're interested in, please watch the end of today's video. So the material you'll need for this project will be any type of yarn. Today I'm using 100% cotton yarn. I'm also using a 3mm crochet hook. You can just use any type of hook you want. I'm also using a thread cutter or scissors with twine, as well as a woogie, as we call it in the Caribbean, or an elastic band. The first thing you start off doing is making a slip knot. We're going to take a slip knot and our hook, and we are going to insert it into the woogie, like so. Next, what we're going to do, we're just going to make a slip knot again, and we are going to make single crochet stitches around the entire woogie or the entire elastic band. This will be the first round of single crochet stitches. Our first round will be entirely single crochet stitches. You guys can continue doing that, and I will meet you back after I have finished making my single crochet stitches. So after we finish making our single crochet stitches, this is what it should look like. What I'm going to do now is in the middle part of our first single crochet stitch, I'm just going to make a slip knot. A slip stitch, sorry. Since I am making this scrunchie in multiple colors, I'm just going to grab my yellow yarn, wrap it around, make a knot, just to attach it. And next we are going to make 2 chains. And this first chain 2 would act as our first double crochet. We're going to make another double crochet into the same space. And for round 2, this will be our pattern. 2 double crochet stitches into each space or each stitch. You guys can continue repeating this pattern until we've made it to the end of round 2. So after we have made 2 double crochet stitches entirely around the end of our round 2, into the middle stitch again, we are going to make slip stitch. This is what it looks like so far, really giving sunflower vibes. And seeing that I am going to make this multicolored again, I'm just going to cut that off and attach my other color yarn. And snip that off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to chain 3, and we're going to make 2 double crochet stitches into this same space. That first chain 3 would act as our double crochet, our first double crochet. Into this space here, we're going to make 2 more double crochet stitches. So by now you can realize the pattern is the first round we would have made single crochet stitches. In round 2 we would have made 2 double crochet stitches into each space, and in round 3, which is what we're doing now, we are making 3 double crochet stitches into each stitch or each space. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way until we've made it to the end of this round. So we have finally made it to the end of this round, and like before, into the middle space, just gonna make a slip stitch. I'm gonna chain one, to seal off this project, and then we're gonna cut it off, cut off the excess. You can trim off the excess, or you can weave it in with a darning needle. It's entirely up to you. So guys, this is the end of our crochet scrunchie. You can see how it looks so beautiful in my hand here. This is actually a size large. So of course, if you do have a smaller scrunchie, you can make it with a smaller size. You don't have to make 3 rounds. You can stop at 2 rounds. It's completely up to you. So if you guys liked this tutorial, you can be sure to check out my other videos. Hit on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.